Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, the market is open and we can see that right now market is standing at the trend line on the top. And more or less the market is acting like a typical Monday market, not much volatility, not much craziness, so we can expect a normal market behavior. So this is the current market price here, 1892. And if you look at the chart of dollar index here, then dollar index has opened on a lower note, okay, and the range of dollar index is still the same. My difference, if you have already watched the video on Saturday that I uploaded, then uh, the levels are still the same here, not much changes. And we are not going to talk about any new levels here because the levels that we discussed on Saturday are still very much valid. So on the chart of dollar index, 103.60, 103.70 is still the resistance for the market, whereas we have support around 103, 102.80 and 102.50. So we have multiple layers of support on the chart of DXY and we have one resistance around 103.60. On Saturday, we also discussed about the possibility of an upside on the chart of US dollar index because we have an ascending triangle pattern here. Ascending triangle pattern is a bullish pattern where market has a resistance, but when market comes down, market doesn't form lower lows in the market. You can clearly see market is forming higher lows, and formation of higher lows indicate that new buyers are joining. As a result, there's a high chance that at one point DXY will break the resistance and move higher. If that happens, there will be pressure, further pressure on the chart of gold. So knowing the important levels, critical levels of DXY is very important. Now let's talk about gold. So gold is standing at the trend line. Why? Because see, the trend line is acting as a dynamic resistance. The 50 moving average is also present around the same area. Okay, we get it. Okay, but the problem is that okay, it has been working as dynamic resistance for a long time and it should not happen. Okay, to be honest, when I saw in the morning, I did not take a sell position because I love my capital, I love my hard-earned money, and after 4 to 5 times, I do not take a position. And here we can clearly see the market has already tested it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, okay, unlimited times. Okay, so I have not taken any sell position, and the main reason is that market has already tested it too many times. Along with that, okay, we can see that the structure of the market is changing a little bit. Okay, yes, there is no doubt about the trend of the market. Whenever we see a market like this, sell on rise, sell at resistance is the best trading strategy. But obviously, every market has a point of reversal. And here we can see the market was forming lower lows, lower highs. But here you can see market took support at the previous low here, which is an indication that buyers are joining in the market and there is a possibility of an upside. And we discussed the same thing on Saturday also, that there is a possibility of an upside. And if you look at the contracts data, options data here, you can see here around 1850 we have a good support of 2297 contracts around 1850, and then the next support seems to be around 1875. If we only go through the contracts data here, then we have only two supports on the chart of gold right now, at least for this month, 1875 because of 1954 contracts, and then 2297. And you can see that we do have contracts on the other prices also, but the numbers are not very high, so obviously those are not major levels. So two major levels are 1875 and 1850 right now. So if market drops also, 1875 should be the first support and 1850 is the second support, because technically we don't have any support on the chart of gold right now. But I think that there is still a possibility of an upside. If not a complete trend reversal, at least market will go for some stop loss hunting above this area here. So what should be a trading strategy in it? This must be your question right now. So if market drops, okay, if market drops, then obviously we can look for some support around 1875 If market takes support around 1875-74 level and bounces, we can go for a buy position. And if you look at the structure also, then the structure was implying that there should not be a free fall in the market. And we have already looked at the economic calendar on Saturday that we don't have any news, big news coming up before Wednesday. So today and tomorrow, okay, news, the technicals will dominate the market. So in this manner, if market starts falling again, okay, in this manner, if market starts falling again around 1875, we can look for a support. If market bounces, we can look for a buy position. Yes, confirmation is important. For confirmation in the form of support, confirmation in the form of price rejection from below, you can simply switch to 15 minutes time frame to observe. If you see the market is taking support, market is showing good price rejection from below on 15 minutes time frame, you can look for a buy. But yes, as the market has been testing the trend line too many times, okay, and the market is not forming lower low anymore, so there is a possibility of an upside also. If that happens, still we cannot deny the fact that market is in downtrend. And as we all know, for a trend reversal, we need a fundamental factor. And right now, we don't have any fundamental factor that will push the market towards the upside. So in absence of any news, in absence of any fundamental factor, if market goes up also, the selling pressure will remain. In that case, sell on rise, okay, sell on rise strategy will be, okay, will obviously remain. We can go for sell on rise as well. So apart from taking a sell here, okay, apart from taking a sell at the trend line here, you can look for a sell around 1900 level. It can be 1899 also, around this level, because of the presence of 100 moving average around the area. Keep in mind, 1899, 1900 is also not a major level. In absence of volatility, 1900 may act as resistance in the market because of being a round number and because of the presence of the 100 moving average here. As discussed on Saturday, the two important or strong resistance on the chart of gold right now are around 1910 and 1925. These are the two strong resistances on the chart of gold. 1910, we have FIBO 23.6% retracement level. Along with that, we also have the 200 moving average, plus the previous previous support will also be acting as resistance here. Similarly, around 1925 also we have FIBO 38.2, which is a better level. Then we have previous support acting as resistance, so, and previous good price rejection also. If we combine all the factors, then these two are strong price rejection level. If market shows good upside, if gold surprises us with good upside, still we can look for selling opportunity around these two areas if market reverses according to our expectations. Because in absence of fundamental factors, obviously we can look for a reversal. As we all know, trend is the most important thing in the market. So right now, the trend of the market is still towards the downside, so taking a sell position is obviously a safer thing to do. And technically, obviously, we don't have any strong support on the chart right now. That's why contracts data is the only hope. Okay, 1850, yes, obviously it's a round number, so it will be a psychological support, but 1850 is far away from the current market price. So let's see how 1875 performs. Okay, but right now, market not forming a lower low. Market taking support around the previous low may be a sign of a temporary trend reversal before Wednesday. So let's wait and watch. Swing traders, okay, you need to be on the back foot right now because we don't have any clear direction. Okay, if you already have taken a sell at the top, then obviously you have made a hell lot of money. But if you have not, and if you're looking for fresh position, then okay, you need to wait a little because already market has shown a considerable downside. And yes, there may be some things change right now, and day traders trade from level to level. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Bye bye, take care, and please follow proper risk management. This is my analysis. I can be wrong as well, so do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Bye bye, take care.